Here's something you don't see every day. This is my little village of Clock in County Antrim, Northern Ireland. This is about 1.5 miles from my house. And this is the wee little village. There's a little post office. This is the high street. And we're going to have a motorbike race around the village. They're going to close the roads. So this is the Mid-Antrim 150. So this is the circuit. The council have spent about the last 6 weeks tarmacking the roads for the race. So this is the circuit. If you see, the track guys have been preparing, putting up the padding on the lampposts, people's garden gateways, fences. So this race is like the Isle of Man, TT, fast motorbikes, road bikes. So this is one leg of the circuit. If you like, the circuit is like a big triangle. So this is one leg of it. Now we're talking about motorbikes. I'm presuming, I haven't seen it. I've lived here for 9 years and I haven't seen this race yet. It's only ever happened once while I've been here, and I was doing something else that day. It used to be every year, and then for some reason they stopped it. So this circuit, they can't fence it off, so you don't have to pay to get in. So anybody can come and presumably stand in the fields and watch. I went to the Northwest 200 one year, and it's the same thing. You can't fence it off. So you sell a program. This is turning now to another leg of the triangle. Now, I've ridden plenty of big motorbikes of all sizes. I can't imagine 1,000cc, 200-mile-an-hour motorbike racing this. Maybe 600cc. There's the toilets for spectators, just in people's farmyards. This is all farmers' fields. This is just a tiny lane. I've got up here. They've been preparing this circuit for the last few weeks, and the roads are still open. So I've got up here to go to work at 7 o'clock in the morning on a Tuesday. And I'm taking a little detour on my way to work just to video this. So this is Tuesday, and the race is going to be for 2 days this weekend. I will try and come along and watch and video some motorbike action. So I'm just driving around here in my car within the speed limit. I'm not breaking any laws to do this, and the road is still a public highway. Right here we're coming up to another corner of the triangle, and you'll see the tarmac is the best tarmac you ever saw of a public highway in your life. There's a car coming because the road is still open. It was closed for 6 weeks while they re-tarmacked it, open at night time when the workers have gone home. So there's the signs telling the riders that there's a bend coming. I'm not quite sure where the pits are this year. It seems to me that they've changed the layout of the circuit. But the pits used to be in the farmyard. So I don't know anywhere else bar farmyards that will be. So this here would be nice and fast for a bike, but 200 miles an hour, I don't think so. But we'll see. This is actually a busy main road because it's not far to the motorway. So this is literally little farms, little houses. Do you see the porter cabins there? I think this is the start and finish line this year, so that would be for the commentators. And then just around the bend there's a sign for the village. We're just coming in now to the village. Some more cars coming, and there's a little housing estate there. That's the junior school entrance. And this is the village itself. With the tiniest high street, all we have is one tiny post office. And this is the next corner where I started. So just there, that's the padding to make the wall for the bend there by the church. And that's it.